2025 is drawing to an end. This is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry, and I wanted to show you my December pages. We are finishing up a year in the Common Book. I had 2 half-a-year books that were very, very chunky. And December, it's almost Christmas, so I wanted to make this video. So I sent out Christmas cards this year using the same artwork that I did for our Advent. So starting out, front page is so beautiful with the flowers and things. I love the colors from this month. I did not get to devotional journaling, but I just cut out a lot of the stuff from our ephemera packet and put that on. Started my gratitude, and then we went out of town. Then I got sick. So as you can see, I put a nice ornament on there. Got to some prayers this month, and then received some beautiful cards this year, handmade cards and things like that. I'm finishing up my word of the year, steadfast. We have some Logos 365. We did a Zoom event where we talked about our last year's word and figuring out this coming year's word. Another beautiful prayer card I received. Got to my reading. And then I did get to my scribing this month. We did a fun tea at a community Bible study that I go to for the leadership. So that was fun. I wanted to remember. Put in a lot of the ephemera from the ephemera packet. And then some verse mapping, some word study. Deb Morrow's devotional. I keep skipping a page. Love the angels from this year, so put those on there. Another Christmas card. Didn't put all my Christmas cards in here, but did do a few. This Christmas card I love because it's from my husband's cousin's daughter from England, from the UK. And we do something at Visual Faith called Open Spaces. And let me see real fast if I have one in here. If I can just glance through and yes, here's an Open Spaces where these are lines. They're not jagged or anything like that. But where we write in between the lines. Let's see if there's another one in here real fast. This one I wrote around. I did a lot in the first half of the year as an example. But anyway, this reminded me of it where she drew beautiful lines and wrote in there, and then the manger scene, and then when the 3 kings came, and I just loved it. Loved, loved, loved. And we went to my mom's church and we sang Crown Him with Many Crowns. And I just had to put the words in because I just love that hymn. Or song. Here's my steadfast again. Beautiful artwork. This year we did Veiled in Flesh, Messianic Psalms to finish out our year. And then at Community Bible Study, I did one of the devotionals and I chose Psalm 16, which is a Messianic Psalm. And so I put in my notes from the devotional and then the little activity that I had them do. This was one of our extra little add-ons for Advent, so I wanted to put it in here to remember. Around the Word, which was really meaningful this month. And then someone handed out a poem at Community Bible Study, so I put that in here as well. So that finishes out my Common Book and the month of December. And I'm going to do a video kind of flipping through the whole entire year. If you're wondering what a common book is and what is inside a common book, I will show you last year's, and then I'll show you the difference, what is in this year. And have a blessed last few days of 2025.